What did Freud really say about anxiety? Most people think anxiety is the problem. Freud thought something very different. He believed anxiety wasn't the enemy, it was a message, and ignoring that message could make everything worse. There's one idea buried in Freud's writings that explains why some people stay trapped in anxiety, even when nothing seems wrong. We'll come back to that idea near the end, because once you understand it, you'll probably never see anxiety the same way again. Picture this. You're exhausted. You finally get into bed. Your body is ready to sleep. But your brain has other plans. It replays conversations, imagines worst-case scenarios, turns tiny problems into massive ones. Sound familiar? Freud didn't believe anxiety appeared out of nowhere. He believed it emerged when unconscious conflicts started pushing toward awareness. In simple terms, part of your mind wanted something. Another part was fighting to keep it hidden. That internal battle produced anxiety. Today, neuroscience approaches the question differently. Researchers know that brain regions like the amygdala help detect potential threats, while areas such as the prefrontal cortex help regulate emotional responses. The theories are different, but both suggest the same thing. Anxiety usually has a reason. It isn't random. What if anxiety isn't trying to destroy you? What if it's trying to protect you, or reveal something you've been avoiding? That's where Freud's ideas become surprisingly relevant, even today. Remember the question from the beginning? Freud believed anxiety wasn't the true problem. It was a signal. A sign that something beneath the surface needed attention. The real question wasn't, how do I make anxiety disappear? It was, what is my anxiety trying to tell me? That shift in perspective is what made Freud's work so influential, and why parts of it still spark discussion alongside modern psychology and neuroscience. The human mind is far more fascinating than it first appears, and the deeper you explore psychology, psychoanalysis, and neuroscience, the more connections begin to make sense. If this video changed the way you think about anxiety, you'll probably enjoy what's coming next.